Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use image blender in Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.canva.com in the top search bar, and then you have to open up the file that you would like to edit. So let's say I would like to blend these two images, so simply put on the images together like this, one after the other. Just simply increase the size what you need, and you can also decrease the size. Then what you need to do is simply go to the apps icon from here in the left hand side. Then here you have to type in the image blender, then click on enter, and here it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And after that it will get the, here you can see the image blender is showing here. Just simply click on it, and then here you have to click on open. After that it will take a couple of seconds from here, and here you can see the image blender is already loading. You have to wait here, and from here you can just choose the tools like that. So let's say I'd like to go for the liner, and here you can see that the liner is already working, and the blend you can just simply change it like this. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.